people. So let me bring it up a little bit. There you go. It's got its light on. Next step is going to be, I'm going to turn my big light off. Holy moly, that's a little bit too close there, people. But quality wise, it gives you that. Okay, let me turn it off. That's light off. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. How well this light performs. So let me first place this down. But so far I have to say, pretty impressed. Definitely the microphone on the webcam, I just tapped it and you heard that noise. So how does that sound for a meeting? Would this be sufficient? Let me turn off my fan. Now that's without the fan on. I've got a couple of desktop computers, so it might be actually quite loud. What do you reckon? How does that? Put your headphones in if you're not too sure. But that there is a nice little boxing experience. It's a bit of a system that you get into. Once you're in there, and it comes nicely. Ooh, okay. So we've got a nice little. Oh, was that meant to take the? Was that meant to? Okay. Was there a little seal on there or not? I feel there was something on there which maybe not. Okay, interesting. So first things first, we've got our little bam. We need to just plug this in, don't we? You're gonna see it now, right about now. Let's just plug this in. Next thing you're gonna see is that camera. So plugging it in already, we can see that if it's darker, the light gets brighter, and if it's so it's kind of like, ooh, okay, nice LED option, but how well will that perform? Okay, I'm gonna try and switch off my other lights. We're gonna have a look at it. So actually, I was pretty surprised. Here is that camera that I'm showing you right now, and you know what? It's actually pretty decent. Overview of the webcam. I'm back to my normal microphone that I use here. So you know what? I'm gonna have to check this out on my laptop now. The next point of call is a laptop test in my new studio that I'm setting up. So hopefully you find this useful. Definitely a nice option, but you have to let me know how you find this.